Hello and hi, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything and all about WordPress. I'm Aisha, and in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can add a cookie notice onto your WordPress website. So cookies are basically something that remembers a user in the website. So when a user logs in, there might be login details or even the shopping cart or address. All those things are pre-saved in the website so that the next time the user visits, those details are pre-filled and used for a smooth experience. So in some privacy policy, it's compiled that you need to mention the users that what are the details that you are uh, making the users accept. So for that we use the cookie notice. So you must have seen various websites having a cookie notice in a banner, in a pop-up, etc. So we're going to add it and let's see how it's done. So I'm going to go to dashboard and install a plugin for this. Install and add new. So here I'm going to search for cookie notice. You can see various plugins available. So I'm going to use this plugin of GDPR cookie policies, this one. So this has almost 90,000 plus, 900,000 plus active installations, and we're going to install this. Once installed, we can actually redeem all these things, and it's very easy with this plugin. So there are two prodigies that you need to know. First one is GDPR, another one is CCPA. So let's see what are those two norms that you need to be aware of. So here we have enabled the cookie. You can turn off whenever you want, and then there is GDPR and CCPA. So GDPR is a privacy policy that is applicable for the European countries. So this is it's called the General Data Protection Regulation. So if for a Californian citizen, for a European citizen, you need to enable this in order to browse it, so that otherwise you might be sued if someone is not accepting this GDPR norm. And then there is CCPA, that's for the Californian Consumer Privacy Act. So this is for the people of California, so that they need to accept that and know what are the policies that you are complying for. So you can choose whichever you want. It's always better to choose both of them, or you can just go for GDPR as it complies both. So for CCPA and GDPR, there is some extra settings. You can enable the CCPA notice separately also. So I'm going with the GDPR right now. And then there is auto hide accept cookie bar after delay. You can like when a user is not accepting after a delay, it automatically accept that you can do this. And then there is what are the time that it should be hidden, that you can also write from here. Okay, then there is auto hide the cookie bar. If the user scrolls, you can also do that. If it can automatically accept when the user scroll through a website. Then there is other options to reload scroll accept event. Then there is reload accept button click, and then reload after rejection button click. Yeah, you can just not choose to do that, as reloading will take time. And then there is I think we have saved the data. Yeah, I have to update the settings here. Then there is customize cookie bar, like what are the headings that you need. You can do it over here. You can add some heading like cookie notice. You can leave it blank as well. Then there is the HTML thing. You can, if you are good with this, you can customize the font, etc. from here. And this is the date. This is the data. So you can edit it however you want. It's always this is a commonly used one. You can make it fancy, or you can do whatever you want with that. And then there's cookie bar colors. Like you can choose whatever color you want for that, like to choose your, like to match your website, obviously. Then color, then there is font, whichever font you want, you can just choose that. And then there is cookie bar shown as, you can shown as a banner will be available here in the down part. Then as a pop-up, it will pop up as a widget. Then also you can choose as a widget from where you want to choose it next whichever feels fit you can add it. I'm just going to add it in the banner, and you can choose where you want to do that, in the header or footer, or you can select that. And also you can select if it should be animated or not, on loading and on height. I'm going to update the setting as well, and revisit consent, so that when the user revisits your website, you want to accept the cookies again or not, you can choose it from here. It's always advisable to not do that. You can just accept it once, and that's done over here. And then update the settings. So here I'm going to see what are the available thing here. So you can see that the button is over here, the cookies button is here, but we don't have like learn more option from here. So I'm going to do that again, and you can customize it as I said. I have given in the top, I'm going to give it in the footer. I'm going to update this. Oh, since we have selected that revisit consent is not there, I'm going to enable that one as well. I'm going to update the setting. And here you can see that there is a manage consent option, so that this thing will appear over here. So here you can see the cookie settings, and you can also see the accept button. And there are other options as well of customizing button, like whatever you want to customize, like accept, you can I agree, you can add something like that. Then there is text color, background color, you can choose that as well. Then there are many other options. To reject button, you can add a reject button here, and then the settings button here. And you can also add a link, show as a link, and the read more link, that this is very important. You can generate a content of cookie policies page here from here itself. And if you you must have a privacy policy page, or also if you have one, you can add the you can redirect the consent page over there. So this is my page, so it will directly take into that page, right? So you can update that as well from here. Then there is some advanced settings to reset the values, and also you can upgrade it to premium. There are some other features available in the premium option. Then let's go to the cookie list and the policy generator, all other options that are available. So you can add the consent policies over here, giving add new. You can add a cookie policy and add it, like what if you have a custom cookie type, you can add it over here, and you can just update it and publish. Then there is cookie generator, policy generator. So you can automatically generate. So they give a basic template, so that you can just copy it and paste on your privacy policy page, so that when the user click on learn more, you will be taken into the terms and condition page, and you can just paste it over there. So this is the basic thing. You can choose to ignore whatever you want and what you don't want, and you can just update it. Then there are some other options which is not necessary and necessary part. You can choose to do this, and you can just ignore it as ever you want. So that's it. You can see that when you enter the page, you can see the manage consent here. So this is how your cookie notice will be available, and you will be once upon cooking settings, you will be taken to the settings page, and you can accept the cookie here. And that's it. That's how you can add a cookie consent page, and it's very simple. You can basically choose to ignore all the extra settings, or if you have a very big site where many much users and all, you can add the extra security for your website. So that's it. That's all about today's video. We'll see you in another video. Bye.